Hey, good morning. I'm at one of my favorite racetracks in the world. I'm at NCM again with Import Alliance. This is the first time Import Alliance has been here, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, they're doing grip and drift stuff today. I bought my drift car. I'm way the hell down now. Since I had a lot of fun last time going to the sinkhole, can't wait to do it again. I bought the Z and I'm like surrounded by Porsches. I think I'm in the wrong area. Well, I got a few drift cars. Okay, taking my lunch break. Hopefully it's not too loud in here. Damn generators. Can't get away from them. So heat me up some ramen because I'm lazy and cheap. Don't feel like sitting in line and ordering something for a lot of money. So ramen and seaweed it is. So far things are going great. Getting quite a bit of laps in. Hopefully I get some more after break time. They are supposed to be able to do like a competition, a entry competition. Not sure if I'm gonna do that or not. Haven't been very competitive in the drift car yet.
A few moments later.
Hey, I'm back from NCM IA. Had an awesome day, had a lot of fun. I didn't get a lot of other like B-roll style footage of this event. Mostly stayed either on the track or just chit-chatting, hanging out with people. Hanging out with people I haven't seen in a long time, so that's cool, always fun. This was the first time IA has done it at NCM, and hopefully it turned out good. Seems to be a lot of cars, especially in the parking area, so hopefully it was a good enough success that they continue going there. Normally they do it at Beach Bend, which is in Bowling Green, but down the road, which it's primarily a big oval drift oval and a drag strip and car show. So I like this one better. The track was split in two. I probably didn't say that in the beginning of the video. All the grip guys were on the west course, we were on the east course, so both can be going at the same time. Car did great. I did shred to some tires. Other than that, everything was fine. I don't really have any other events planned for the rest of the year, so I'm not sure what I'm doing. So I got some figuring out to do. One thing I am kind of bummed about, I got plenty of footage like GoPro Insta260 footage, but the one time I couldn't get my Insta260 to work and sync up with my remote, after the remote, is when I did my tandem with Human. Probably the best one I did of the day. Probably the only good tandem I did of the day, and I didn't even get it. So like it never happened. The last time I tandem him, I scooted all up, I ran off the course. Into the dirt or the rocks. So this was like redemption for me, which I feel like it went pretty good. I just didn't get on camera. But I got a bunch of unloading to do, and not sure what the next video is going to be about. Find out when I get there. Until then, peace. See you later.